So what are business systems? Business systems are the easiest way to position your company to scale. Business growth can be tricky, but it's not impossible. In this video, we're going to show you what a business system is and how your custom system will help you scale your business.
If you're on YouTube, please consider subscribing so we can continue to bring you fresh content.
Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome and please consider subscribing. My name is Tamara. I am a corporate dropout, certified project manager, digital consultant, and full stack web developer. I created this channel to share lessons that I've learned in 15 and a half years re-engineering processes that save companies millions as a financial analyst, business analyst, and senior accountant. To learn more about me, click the link in the description. Let's get into what we have for you guys today. So what is a business system? A business system is a collection of processes that work together to help you meet a specific business goal. You don't have to be a major corporation for business systems to work for you. In fact, it's quite the opposite. If you start using business systems right now while you're new and you're just getting to the point of beginning to scale, you're going to enjoy the happy side effects of building better products, delivering better services, and just creating an overall better customer experience. So I'm sure at this point you're wondering, well, how does that work? We're getting ready to break it down right now. Today, I'd like to invite you to take our Business Growth Tactics Challenge. This challenge helps consultants, service providers, and e-commerce store owners position their business to scale. There are no hacks or cheat codes, just proven, straightforward methods that work. Join us as we give you the clarity that you need to take your business to the next level. Check out the link in the description section to get started. You'll be glad you did. So now that we've gone over what business systems are, let's talk about how they help you grow your business. One of the major benefits is organization. Everything works better and faster and cheaper in your business when you are organized. There's no need to debate, that's just a fact. You get a lot more done when you know exactly what needs to happen and when throughout your days. Have you ever noticed that you've been working on a project for like 3 hours and the project should have only taken you 5 minutes? You have no idea where the other 2.5 hours went. Yeah, me too. Taking the time to order your steps will keep that from happening. And this should not be ignored, no matter where you are in your business. In fact, it only takes a few hours a day to organize your day. After a word from our sponsor, we'll go over how to get that done. How can you stand out with recycled templates? A website that looks great on any device stands out and commands attention. If you're serious about scaling your business, then that DIY template is not going to get you to the next level. Everyone making 6+ figures is using a custom web design based on strategic goals. If you're ready to build a custom web design that looks great on any device, then meet with us for a free, no obligation consultation. There we will discuss your business goals and how we can help. Get started today at AccuFigures.com. You'll be glad you did. The way I organize my day easily is I start off by picking 3 major things that have to be done before I go to bed. Now, this can either be done the night before or the morning of. I prefer to do it the morning of because sometimes what I think is important the night before turns out to not be so important or not as important as something else the next morning. Then I take out my cell phone and I go to the Notes app. And guys, you can get a Notes app for free in the store, the Google store, the App Store, whichever type of phone you have. You go right into the store, type in the word Notes, and a million apps will come up. I don't have one in particular that's my favorite because to me they're all tomato, more or less. If you want a fancy solution, you can use Wunderlist or Evernote, and those are just an extremely robust version of the Notes app. But I suggest for this particular exercise, all you need is the regular Notes app from the App Store. Once you get your app installed, you're going to crack it open and you're going to write out your 3 things that need to get done. Then after you, not write out, type in. You're going to type in the 3 things that you need to get done for that day. You're going to save that. Then you're going to open up your reminder section. And in your reminder section, you're going to set reminders throughout the day. Currently, I have 4 reminders because every 3 hours, I get a reminder that says what items are done on your list. Now, you don't have to say that verbatim. You can say something else. but I like to hold myself accountable, so I generally ask a question. What items have been done on your list? And sometimes I'm on par, and other days I'm not. But guys, you have to remember, as business owners, we're living life too. So sometimes it's all not going to fall into place like it should, and that has to be okay. The next benefit of having a business system is building better products or services. Your quality is naturally going to get better when you are utilizing repetition in your business model. As they say, practice makes perfect, and you should not spend a ton of time trying to get something just right. The end result should be professionally done while providing your customer with what was promised. Over time, your results will get better with a shorter turnaround time. This is due to the repetition of completing the same series of tasks over and over again. And that's why processes are so important. Because if you don't have a documented process that is telling you to do step 1, then step 2, then step 3, you're going to be delivering your products or services, but you're going to be doing different things every time you go through the process of building that product or delivering that service. In this particular instance, you want to use the business system to control the repetition. So you are essentially conditioning the behavior of yourself and your team to complete your products or services in a very specific and unique way. The benefit to doing this is to ensure that you start getting predictable results. Inconsistent performance does not lead to predictable results. Another way business systems help your business scale is through leveraging the results of performance tracking. Each process in your business system should have some type of performance tracking in place to let you know that it's working. An example of a performance tracker would be, how many clicks did I get to my website today? Or how many people filled out my opt-in form today? Or how many sales calls did my team make today? The data that you get from performance tracking can be used to tweak or stop wasting money on what's not working. Create smart and robust processes based on the results. And as always, thanks for watching. If you got value from this, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.